Hello YouTube land, Mr. Tolly here. I'm just going to do a quick overview of Outer's 51-piece screwdriver kit. This kit is for gunsmithing. So, let's take it out of the box. I like the case. It closes securely. I like that a lot. Little slide latch. Pretty slick. I like it. What do we have? We got the 1/4-inch nut driver attachment. That is always handy because I do keep a set of 1/4-inch sockets sitting here on my bench. They come in handy. The biggest difference in gunsmithing screwdrivers is, let's see if we can get this to show up. You see how that is ground? That's called a hollow grind, whereas this is just a regular flat ground. And the hollow ground gets a much better bite in the screws. So that's why you want to use these, especially on some of the older, the straight screws. You really want to stick to these, and my collection has gone down significantly. Wow, there are 15. Looks like some are duplicates and triplicates, so if you break them, you can replace them. There's 15 straight bits here. Torx bits. Go all the way down. It looks like a T8. Yeah, it goes down to a T8. And the biggest one is a T30. So it's actually a pretty good selection of Torx bits. Then you got hex bits. And they look like they're okay quality. Got a bunch of hex bits too. There again, it looks like the same as the standards. There's some duplicates and such. And we got some Phillips bits. Looks like we got a 1, 2, 3, and even one smaller than a number 1. See what size it says it is. It's a 0. Phillips bits don't always get broken, so, and they look like they're decent quality. The part of the bit that does all the work, not that I've got much of a pointer, is the flat part here, that edge. You want to make sure that's got a good crisp edge so that it bites good. The screwdriver that I've been using is well worn. So I thought I'd give this a shot. It was 15 bucks at my local Walmart. It's also got a couple of a number 1 long bit, Phillips bit, and a number 2. So the handle's nice and grippy, a good texture to it. So I'm going to give this a shot. I was debating on just ordering individual screwdrivers from like Snap-on or something, but you know, this kit looks pretty decent. And I've had other bits that, or other screwdrivers that are not Snap-on that worked really well. I have this one. You get those screws in the stock that are way up in there. That's what this screwdriver is for. But it looks like a pretty decent little kit. Again, that is the Outer's 51-piece screwdriver kit. So I'll try to keep you posted. It's got a nice rubber around here so it doesn't slide around and stuff. It sits right on your bench. So, well, I'm not going to put it back in the box and keep it out so I can use it. Anyway, that is the kit. We'll see how she goes. Like I say, it looks pretty good. Looks pretty decent. So for the price, to have the right screwdrivers for the job, you can't go wrong with having the right stuff. So anyway, stay safe, God bless, and we'll get back with you in the next video.